You asked, how to divide 3675 by 5 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 36. 36 divided by 5 equals 7. 7 times 5 equals 35. 36 minus 35 equals 1. Bring down 7, making 17. 17 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 17 minus 15 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 minus 25 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 735.